Here's how I make my beef tips and gravy. Start with a chuck roast and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Season it with salt and pepper, then toss it in flour. Sear the beef in hot oil, working in batches until browned on all sides, and then set that aside. In the same pot, melt some butter and cook the onions until they're soft and lightly golden. Add the mushrooms and cook until they release their moisture and start to brown. Stir in the garlic and cook that until it's fragrant. Add the tomato paste, the Dijon mustard, and then deglaze the pan with red wine. Scrape up the brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Then stir in the Worcestershire sauce, the soy sauce, the beef broth, thyme, and a bay leaf. Return the pot to simmer, cover it, and let it simmer until it's fork tender. To thicken the gravy, stir in the cornstarch slurry and simmer it until the gravy tightens up. Serve this over mashed potatoes or rice, and it's so good.